Ojibwe, and that their parents and grandparents didn't bother to learn English so they could communicate with their children. There was this generation, you know. I read a book once about, what do they call it? Letters from boarding school. And how the letters were unread because they were written in English. Well, what's the matter with you guys? These are your children. You didn't bother to. So crappy parenting. The family was destroyed with no resistance from the elders, from our ancestors. And then they, the boarding school survivors, went on to have dysfunctional families of their own and not pass on the culture, the language, values, nothing. They just became workers. They became regular automatons like every Joe Schmo on the street. Oh, you know, our community. There's no community. You know, and that's why. Or are you a member of the tribe? Are you enrolled in this, what do I call that?
Smiling girls and rosy boys coming by my little toys. Monkeys made of gingerbread and sugar horses painted red. Richmond's children running fast, their fathers dressed in holes. Golden hair and mud of many acres on their shoes. Gazing eyes running wild past the stocks and over stiles. Kiss the window, merry child, coming by my toys, coming by my toys, coming by my toys. You watched your father plow the fields with a ram's horn, and sowed it white with peppercorn, unfurled with a bramble thorn. Now your watching's over, you must play with girls and boys. Leave the parsley on the stool, but coming by my toys, coming by my toys, coming by my toys, my toys, coming by my toys. You shall own a cambric shirt, you shall work your father's land, but now you will play in the market square until you become a man. Coming by my toys, coming by my toys.
White people are wankers, but we were colonized by wankers. I don't hate the English, I hate the Ojibwe.
You're paraphrasing,
What was that movie? Train Spotting.
yeah.
That's the way the Scottish feel about the English. We're just colonized by them. But anyway, what are we talking about?
The conference. Yeah. Are they going to expect me to sound like Tony Troyer and talk about how important it is to learn the language, and if you don't learn the language, you're not a real Indian?
Yeah. You're not a real Indian if you don't speak the language. What are you then?
I don't know. I think Tony would say you're a descendant of Indians rather than a real Indian.
A real Indian. Yeah, get on your spotted pony and ride in a loincloth. Go hunting for buffalo with a spear. There's a real Indian. Hiya, hi, how are ya? Anyway, so what's your theory on 9/11?